Part 2.
Okay, I ran some tests this morning and I came to the conclusion that the controller on this one is bad. I don't know how that happened, but the controller on this bike is bad. And basically what I did was I took the bike that I took the wheels off because it's still set up to run. So I took it apart and I hooked up this controller to the front hub of the three-wheel bike. And as you can see, I hooked the controller up to the three-wheel bike off of this bike. I hooked it up. And that's the throttle. I hit the throttle, so she ready to go. So in this pic, you'll see where I have the hub motor hooked up to the controller that's on the three-wheel bike. And here go the throttle. Not getting no play. So that's just a sign that the controller is bad. Another test you can run is take another hub motor and hook it up to this controller and see what happens. So I hook this hub motor up to the controller, and when I hit the, you finna see, there's nothing. When I hit the controller, there's no spinning, there's no nothing. So that's a sign that the controller is bad. So I hooked it back up to this frame, to this controller that I'm taking apart. On. You see it's going. So that's a way you can troubleshoot to find out what the problem is when you're dealing with these e-bikes. So on the trike, the controller is bad.